Imagine a workplace where humans brainstorm strategy while AI teammates build, test, and refine in real time. Not science fiction, it's the new frontier of collaboration. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ron's Technology Saga, where we decode the future 15 minutes at a time. Today's story is different. It's not about AI replacing us, and it's about something far more powerful: AI working with us. Because in this new era, the smartest teams on Earth aren't human or machine, they're hybrid. For decades, every conversation about AI began with fear of job loss, automation, and machines surpassing us. But reality took a different turn. Instead of replacing people, AI began working alongside them. In hospitals, doctors use AI not as competition, but as a second pair of eyes. In architecture, AI simulates hundreds of blueprints, and humans choose the one that feels right. In science, AIs propose theories, but it's human intuition that recognizes the one that could change the world. AI doesn't erase our value, it magnifies it. It's turning individual brilliance into collective intelligence. History repeats, Moa, but evolves. 1960s fear of automation, 1990s fear of the internet, 2020s fear of AI. Yet every time fear gave birth to innovation. In sports, AI predicts strategies mid-game, but only the coach senses momentum. Every great team is a conversation, a rhythm between strengths. But when that conversation includes artificial intelligence, something remarkable happens. It's no longer about who's faster, sharper, or smarter. It's about how each side complements the other. Humans bring empathy, context, and the spark of imagination, the why behind every choice. AI brings endurance, precision, and memory that never fades, the how behind every solution. Together, they don't just add up, they multiply. Imagine a designer sketches a rough idea. AI transforms it into 3D prototypes in seconds. A scientist frames a hypothesis. AI simulates a universe of outcomes overnight. It's not one replacing the other. It's a dance. Intuition leading, computation following, both improvising to a rhythm no single mind could play alone. In this dance, the most valuable skill is no longer just knowing things. It's the ability to co-think, to orchestrate a partnership where creativity meets calculation. The best teams of the future won't just manage projects, they'll manage synergy, knowing when to trust gut instinct and when to lean on the machine's clarity. Because when humans and AI truly collaborate, the output isn't 1 + 1 plus 2, it's 1 + 1 to infinity. Hybrid teams are redefining the very idea of a workplace. An engineer in Tokyo collaborates with an AI designer in California. A teacher in Nairobi uses an AI tutor that adapts to each child's pace. There are no walls, no limits. This guy connects people not just across time zones, but across abilities. For those who can't code, AI becomes the developer's brain. For those who dream, AI becomes the bridge that turns imagination into action. Maybe the future of work isn't automation. It's amplification. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to make your potential infinite. The next frontier of collaboration isn't about using artificial intelligence, Nestle. It's about thinking with it. Researchers call it cognitive fusion, the moment when the boundary between human reasoning and machine intelligence begins to blur. For centuries, our inventions extended our reach. Our tools amplified muscle. Our machines extended memory. Our networks connected distance. But now we are extending the mind itself. This is not a tool we command. It's a presence that responds. It listens beyond our words, interpreting tone, hesitation, even intent. It senses context, emotion, and meaning in ways no algorithm was ever meant to. When we think, it co-thinks. Thoughts no longer travel in isolation. They echo and return transformed. You start a line of reasoning, and it completes the pattern before you even know what you were reaching for. In this state, creativity feels different. Faster, deeper, more fluid. Ideas are born not from solitude, but from shared cognition. Close your eyes and imagine with me. A researcher lowers the visor of her AR headset. As she begins framing a question, data blooms around her. Equations, images, and concepts, forming before her words can catch up. She stops mid-sentence, a quiet smile breaking through the glow. "It's not telepathy," she whispers. "It's resonance." In that instant, she isn't instructing the machine, she's in dialogue with it. A pulse of shared understanding passes between thought and algorithm. Not command, but connection. Logic and emotion meeting halfway, where insight lives. That's the essence of cognitive fusion. Not control, but connection. A meeting of logics and emotions, of silicon and synapse. We've glimpsed it before in stories, not science. Tony Stark and Jarvis. Partners, not servants, each amplifying the other. Because the best outcomes don't emerge from human genius alone or machine precision alone, they come from alignment, when humans lead with values and AI amplifies reach. That's when collaboration becomes something more than teamwork. It becomes symbiosis. When minds begin to merge, something greater than productivity is born. A new kind of civilization quietly takes shape, built not on tools or systems, but on synergy. Work becomes more than effort, becomes understanding in motion. Every thought connects to another. Every idea multiplies through collaboration. Every action resonates through both silicon and soul. A decade from now, the first truly hybrid generation will rise. They won't remember a time before digital consciousness. They'll grow up treating AI as instinctively as conversation itself. To them, teamwork won't mean division of labor. It will mean fusion of thought. This is not the future of work. It's the dawn of shared intelligence, the beginning of a species that learns together. We're no longer designing tools. We're designing teammates. AI is becoming our collaborator, co-creator, and sometimes our reflection. The next breakthroughs won't come from humans or machines alone. They'll come from the space where both minds meet. The real question isn't, can AI work for us? It's, can we truly work with it? You've been watching Ron's Technology Saga, where we decode the future one story at a time. Stay curious, stay ahead. If this episode sparked a thought, hit like, share it with a friend who loves exploring the unknown, and subscribe to join a community that believes the future isn't built, it's co-created. Coming up next, the machine's imagination. How AI dreams in data. We've seen AI work and think, but can it dream? Next time, we explore how machines create art, emotion, and wonder, and what happens when they start imagining worlds of their own.